Welcome back, everybody, and welcome in another backtesting session for this time euro dollar. As usual, we are going to do a random date. So we're going to choose a random date here between January and August. Of course, Monday to Friday. Now we are going to do euro dollar, so it's not like Bitcoin always open. Blah blah blah. One date between that, get date. Okay, the 3rd of March. We're going to start our analysis and backtesting session, of course, as a scalper. Is it Wednesday? 10K, no, 500. Okay, so as usual, we're going to do the 1 minute, the 1 hour. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. They should already be there. Perfect. Those. Let's see if we have any news. Very good. That's smart. 3rd of March. Today we don't have anything. Oh no, we have the ADP expecting better numbers at 1. So let's move on the at least London session, which is okay. Oh, okay, but London session. We don't have any impacting news for the Eurozone. We have the ADP here. So we're going to keep that in mind when we're going to New York session. So this goes here. Okay. Let's jump on the 1 minute. Very good. Okay. Is this everything okay? Perfect. Very good. Okay. So what we can see here is the following. So on EuroDollar, on the hourly time frame, we can see that as the usual like gold, like the pairs against the US dollar, when the sort of vaccines that the optimism came out into the market, we're starting a high time frame bearish structure as well on gold. And it's not a news, not something very particular. As you can see here, we reacted. We are creating a bearish structure. We just reacted at this key level. We have a bounce, reaction at this previous PSA on the left hand side, and now we are at this key level. We have this full range if we want to take advantage of it, but we have to be aware of this big PSA on the left hand side. So let's zoom in. Of course, we are high time frame bearish, but we have to see also today the ADP figures, what are they saying. So as per intraday ideas, okay, so the pre-London tried pre-London the Eurozone open tried to push above the key level, failing to do it. So the key levels that I want to see, that I want to possibly take advantage of are this one. I don't want to be ahead. Okay. And of course, the key level. We have exactly this resistance on the left hand side. And if we go further up, but that would be okay, 40 pips is doable. We have this PSA on the left hand side, as you can see, we have these rejections here. Let me put them on the 1 minute as well. Here, if we break below, we have these and these PSAs. Okay, we go on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's the reaction we had today, and we have safer sells below this level. So I think we can just start. There you go. We have zero spread as usual, and we're going to try to scalp, of course, between the levels. You also have to take into consideration this one. Okay, this, very good. And let's see how it moves at London Open. Looks like we're going, having some difficulties here. Let's see if we're going to retest the previous PSA. I don't know, this is 6 pips. I don't know the ranges of EuroDollar. As you can see here, no top wick. We just melted, so we might expect strong rejection here. Let's go back on this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah, on the 1 minute, we can expect some rejection for the high risk reward buys. We can think here sells, safer buy, wait, and retest. Read and add. Here we have high risk reward buys. Safe sells. Okay. So this is it. Just give me a second. And we are going to be good to go. Yeah. That. Okay, that's it. Okay, we are reacting here. Let's see below this level. This is the hourly zone. This is not the low of the week, but we're going to see price action live, what it says. This candle looked like some exhaustion, and we had a very, very strong rejection, like 5 pips candle on EuroDollar. It's not a small rejection. Okay. So okay. Oh wait. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I'm back. We might consider some high risk reward buys above here. Be very high risk. We're still ranging. We're not having exactly on the buyer side. We were not having confirmation apart from this candle. So let's see the retest of the key level. If we make a double bottom, the key level of the PSA. If we make a double bottom, we might be lower weak and tops are okay. But very, very strong sellers are very in control. As you can see, how few bullish candles are here. Okay, this one looks close really weak, but I will consider buys only above here. Let's see if we make a retest. If we make the retest of this level, or above of the PSA. Yeah. Not up weak. Closing strong. Let's see if, okay. If we still fail to break, let's see how it closes. If it still closes below, we might consider taking high risk, high reward sells. But it's very dependent. Also, we might be safer if we wait the next candle. We want a very small candle, bearish possibly, or then the continuation down. Let's see where it closes. Okay, closes at the level. Okay, this was already strong, not top weak. Okay, close very strong. We are 3 pips of stop loss eventually, but we are still above these lows. We can make it's not safer yet. Lower wick and then top going up. Okay, very good. We see it as exactly what I was saying, that there was a possibility of being a double bottom here, because okay, at the time this candle didn't break below these previous candle bodies, so it was not making a new lower low, a new lower high, so it was still here, which gives the possibility of the next candle make a lower wick and then continuation up. And this is what happened. Let's see if we have some clean retest of the PSA. We can consider it. Okay, now closing bearish. Failing to close above, very interesting. And closing bearish. This is one of my favorite candle, is a double wick candle. Let's see slowly if we make a top wick and then we start again flipping bearish. I might enter with the stop loss over here. Okay, this is 3 pips. Yes, it's a very high risk reward because we don't have, we are still, we're trying to take advantage of the following range with a very small, with a 1% risk. Here, because if we break below, this is our risk reward. But if we break, so if we go back here and then we see price traveling back, we can take partials, and this is, yeah, 3 pips, right? Okay, yes. So 0 and 0. We are going for 10 pips. Where is the stop loss? No, okay, no, I want the stop loss here. Okay, and the take profit, not 100 pips. Okay, I was wrong. Okay, let's put it here. For now it's 10 pips. Okay, there we go. This is 3 pips. Okay, perfect. Let's see. Not very likely. I don't like this action. Very weak, bearish candles, but still bearish. Of course, if we see engulfing, we can close the position without taking a full stop loss. This didn't make the top wick. Interesting. Let's see if break closes below. Okay, closes below the PSA. So let me leave this on here. So we are at almost 6 pips profit. Oh no, this is the PL, because we open 0.33, 1%, 1%. So risk it 1%, over 10K, 3 pips. I mean, not much. I will use one lot. Let me go back. Here, okay. Let me use one lot, not one. Okay. I want to use one lot with 3 pips and 10 pips. So it's the same idea as I'm not cheating or anything. Okay, we were exactly here. Okay, 18, because we are at 1.8 per sat. Perfect. One at top week and then continuation down. Oof, very good, very good. 4 pips, break even. We take partials. And let it go. Still closing below. Still bullish, bearish. We're getting a rejection, so we're still at 4 pips. I might close another 50% because I don't really like the reaction here. Exactly. Okay, nice rejection, though. Nice rejection. Very, very good. This is 4 pips. Let's just run this one. Let's see if we get our full take profit at 10 pips or not. This is not a good, but well, it's not that strong of a bullish candle, but unless we see some strength again, some flat candle body support here with failure to close above, yeah, it's fine if we just make another block, grab liquidity, and then continuation down. You can also have some safer re-entries with the stop loss above the top of the other block. Okay, come on, slightly faster. Nice, engulfing bearish. Okay, top week. No, it's not just a top week. It's a very strong bullish candle. As you can see, we are still below these previous lows. Okay, got stopped out at break even. That's fine. We are still up. 0.30%. Why this trade? Oh, no, okay, it's fine because of the equity before. Okay, so we got stopped out here. Let's see if we have some re-entry after failing to break, making new highs, or we have some shift in the structure. Look like I read that, but we have this strong PSA, this strong level over here. We're closing above, making a lower wick. Let's see where he closes this one. Okay, closes below. So we are retesting the PSA, the higher time frame PSA. We're coming towards the close of the first hour of London session. Okay, looks like we're closing above. Of course, safer buys for me would be above here, but after this bearish candle, I think we're not considering buys anymore. Wow, price is melting. Reacting again. This we lose lows. Okay, we're coming. Okay. Now is a new hourly candle. This one closed very strong bearish engulfing. Not a week, more over a week. We can have now a retest and then continuation down. Okay, top wick is being created, reacting at these previous lows. And take sells below here. It looks like we are having some troubles breaking above. We made definitely a top wick, and then we can consider sells, even high risk high reward sells if we see the structure, because the structure is bearish. So that will be in trend. Of course, also expecting today good numbers for the ADP. Okay, let's see if we make a top wick. And then it flips bearish. No wick on the bottom, no entry. Okay, give me the retest. This is not a retest. This is a engulfing, validating the double bottom and validating a new higher low. Are we making a retest of the level? No. Nope. Okay. Traveling above. Wow. Let's see if we have a retest of this previous highs. Nope. It looks like today they don't like to respect previous price action. So it is also better to just stay out of the market. We got our 4 pips. And okay, we decide that we want to stay out of the market. And let's go to here, the ADP. Okay, looks like we got some, in the next 10 minutes, we got very impulsive 20 pips. And on the downside, Wow, then we melted. So we're coming towards the ADP. Okay, ADP coming out right now. Let's see our price points of interest. This low, this high, this previous lows, the PSA. Okay. So the ADP came out much worse than expected and then previous. So I'm expecting we're already in New York session. As you can see, I'm expecting some bullish action. Let's see what happens. If we can even retest and double bottom here and then move up. We are just moving up. Looks like this PSA is holding strong. Wow. That was nice. Let's see now after the news we have some move up about the PSA. And it looks like we are ranging. We are creating a fat candle body support here. Yeah. Nice. How it held. Okay. Not the perception I would like. So let's call it a day. We got our 0.3%, $30 for the big scalp we had at the morning. But it's it. Better than nothing, better than losing.